Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have 8 of cups, king of swords in reverse, and 9 of wands. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. You are in a connection maybe with this person, but their intentions towards you, it may not be good, guys. Or if it is a situation in your work, there is someone with bad intentions or they are not truly concerned about you. They are working with you or they are with you just to make use of you in some ways. So you have to be really careful with this person, guys, because they do not have your happiness or they are not truly concerned about you. They may act or they may just imitate to be in a way truthful to you, but they are not truly honest. So you have to be really careful, guys. And I also see that you are trying to run away from certain things. It may be people or some circumstances. You are trying to avoid someone or this person you love, or you are trying to avoid certain situations. Maybe you know that if you speak or if you go meet this person, situation is going to go in a very negative way. So you are expecting some kind of arguments or fights with this person, so you are trying to avoid them, guys. And I also see that maybe you are seeing some delays or suspensions in your work or some kind of arguments or stressful situations in your relationship, guys, but you are just avoiding them because you don't want to argue and you want to uh, what to say, you don't want to quarrel with this person or argue with this person because you love them, you want to make this relationship work. So you are trying to avoid some negative outcomes in your relationship, guys. That is the reason you are running away from this person. Maybe you want a break from them, you don't want to see them now, right now. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, Sagittarius. So for your relationship, we have 2 of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, guys, it just means that there is some kind of an important message reaching you today. Maybe this person you love, they are sending you emails or they are pouring their heart out in an email and sending you. Maybe for some of you, that is what I see, guys. So some kind of a news or a message is what you are getting today, guys, and it is something important, guys. It may change the way things are between you both. Maybe for some of you it may work in a positive way. Maybe this person coming and telling you how they feel about you or about this love, or what are their difficulties and what is their perspective. You want to change. Maybe for some of you that is what is happening. But for some of you, if you are unable to change and if it is something you cannot do, you are moving away from this person, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Nine of Swords in reverse. So, with this card in your career situation, guys, you are taking a lot of precautions. Maybe you are being too cautious. Maybe there are some opportunities coming towards you, but you are not jumping with joy. You are thinking it out again and again, feeling stuck, feeling confused. Maybe you have to get other suggestions. Maybe from your mentor or your colleagues. You can ask them to suggest you the right path for you, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more clarity in your situation, Sagittarius, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can close your eyes, think about your situation. Maybe you may have some doubts or confusions. You can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card. And I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card, the first card for those who chose this card. It is an angel card, guys. It's Archangel Uriel. So with this card, the energy is that whenever we have an angel card, I usually say the angels are there guiding us today. So maybe in your life today, you may have some doubts or confusions. Maybe you are in the verge of making some important decisions for your life, maybe for your work or maybe for your love, for your relationship. So you are confused, you don't know what is your decision or what is your choice. So you are feeling stuck maybe. So this angel guides you subtly, in a very subtle way but in a very powerful way. So you will have that clarity and understanding, guys, whatever your situation may be. For some of you, you may see answers through some signs or through some subconscious urges or impulses in your life today. So whenever you need assistance, this angel is to be called upon, guys. And also, guys, this angel encourages you to listen to your inner voice. So in your heart of hearts, you know what is your choice, the clear choice, and you will have an understanding of any situation, guys. So that is what is important to you. So your intuition is guiding you or will be guiding you, and you need to listen to it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the first card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, the second card, we will see what it is. It is building blocks. So with this card in our life, in any situation, guys, in our relationship maybe, it just means that we are attracting new relationships in our life. Maybe we are in a new connection and we want to build a strong and a beautiful relationship together with this person for that extraordinary life. In order to do that, we have to focus on the foundation we need to build this relationship on. The values, ethics, morals, and the core beliefs. These are all the most important things that will give us that solid grounding in this relationship. and make it work in a very positive way, and you are in the process of making some remarkable changes in your life today, guys. This is the time for that. And maybe for some of you, you are attracting a new relationship towards you, or if you are already in a connection, you are building it more strongly, strengthening it with honesty, humility, clear communication, and a genuine desire to understand one another. And you are moving towards that strong foundation, firm footing for this relationship, so that it can withstand any storm that you will be facing together, guys, when you are in a connection. So, long standing relationships are repaired and strengthened even further when you have a beautiful understanding with each other, guys. So, that is the energy with this card. So, you and the other person, you are working towards that stronger, more powerful relationship together than apart. So, that is the energy with this card. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment, guys. I will be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.